Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. I know most of you guys are here just to see one thing, so let's jump right into the video. Today we're going to be opening up collectrapp One Piece mystery pouch. Normally I wouldn't buy one of these for myself, but I thought, hey, why not? Let's see what the fuss is about. Let's see what we can get, and let's see how they do it. I mean, I would like to give a shout out to collectrapp. I do use them to track my personal collection, keep up with everything up to date. Really cool app. I really do appreciate all they do. Not getting paid for that, by the way. So, you guys want to see what's in this thing? We got red, it looks like. So 1 and 5. Record your pools. Looks like we got op04, op02, op03, op05. That's pretty cool. One Piece op04. Red mystery pouch. What else is in here? Collector stickers. Alright. We'll save this to last to see what's in there. 1 and 5 can be, oh, op03. That's cool. I've never opened any Japanese One Piece, so this will be a first for me. What should we start? We'll just start here. See how it goes, guys. Alright. Different. Yeah, that's cool. op03 this time. op05. This is by far my favorite set so far. Now we go with the English op04. Come on, let's get something cool out of here. I think I see that either. And now the red pack. I believe it said it's guaranteed just op03. That's pretty cool. Yeah, 1 pack of op03. Hey, if we get the Katakuri, that would be pretty sweet. Alright, last pack magic. Thank you. Super rare. So, all in all, didn't get any good hits, really, but we'll take it. You win some, you lose some. Personally, what I think, it's fun. Is it worth it? Would I buy another one? Who knows? If you guys want to see another one open up on the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought. If you guys opened up any of these, how your hits rates were. I mean, I thought it was pretty cool. At least I got the 1 and 5. The 125 would have been awesome. Get a pre-errata pack. Shout out collectrapp. Keep doing what you're doing, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Try to get some more content out for you guys. Peace.